Fluctuating RPMs? Check these two sensors. Rough idling, floating RPMs and vibration are common problems. In many cases, the cause is incorrect airflow or throttle position data. It usually comes down to just two key sensors. At idle, the engine is in its most sensitive operating mode. The ECU relies entirely on sensor signals to dose air and fuel accurately. Any incorrect data immediately leads to unstable operation.
Subscribe to the channel.
MAF, mass airflow sensor. It is usually installed in the intake duct after the air filter. It measures the volume of air entering the engine. Typical symptoms of a bad MAF are floating revs and uneven idle. Fuel consumption may increase. Acceleration can also feel weak. Before checking the sensor itself, make sure the intake system is airtight. If extra air enters the intake after the MAF, the sensor will not measure it. The ECU receives one set of data, but more air is actually entering the engine. Look for dust, oil, moisture, cracks, or loose hoses. Then disconnect the sensor and inspect the contacts. Clean the sensor only with a dedicated MAF cleaner. Let it dry fully before refitting. Do not touch the sensing element with fingers or tools. If the symptoms remain after checks and cleaning, the MAF may need replacing. TPS, throttle position sensor, or electronic throttle body. It transmits the exact position of the throttle plate to the ECU. On many modern cars, the position sensors are built into the electronic throttle body. If the throttle data is wrong, airflow is not controlled correctly. Use a scan tool to check for fault codes and live data. The throttle position value should change smoothly. If the signal jumps, drops out, or does not match specification, there may be a fault. Inspect the wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. After cleaning or replacement, throttle body relearning may be required. Some cars relearn automatically, others need a scan tool. Another important part is the IAC, idle air control valve. This is a component that stabilizes engine speed at idle. It is used in vehicles with a mechanical throttle, mostly older vehicles. If accessible, inspect it for carbon buildup. Clean it with suitable throttle or intake cleaner if the design allows this. If the valve is stuck or faulty, replacement may be needed. Additional checks. Inspect wiring harnesses, plugs, and ground points. Check the throttle body for carbon deposits and clean it if necessary. A dirty air filter can also affect engine operation. In most cases, rough idling can be solved through diagnostics and basic maintenance. Have your revs ever had a mind of their own? Tell us what fixed it in the comments.